All right, you guys, I'm going to do a little video that goes over the homework for tonight. Most of you got a lot of this done in class, but I'm going to review some of this for you in this video. So we have 430 divided by 9. We want to estimate, right, how many times we could divide 430 by 9, right? Here's the thing. We know that there is no number that 9 doesn't go into 43 evenly, right? So we have to find what would be a close number that 9 would go into. So, you have 36, you have 54, or you have 45, right? Yeah, I'm thinking 45 would be closer, the closest, right? So, what you're going to do in order to do a good estimation is change that to 450, right? Now, let's see what that estimates out to. So, 9, this is how I want your math to look when you show your work, right? And you could do this in your math notebook. 450 divided by 9. Well, we know that 9 goes into 45 5 times. So we multiply 5 times 9 is 45. Now we subtract. We bring down. Okay. 0 divided by 9 is 0. Now we multiply 0 times 9 is 0. Subtract it. We get a remainder of 0. And your answer is 50. Roughly 50 times. About 50, right? So this is about 50 times that will divide out, right? All right, so now let's do, I don't know, let's do number 18. 813 divided by 813 divided by 8, right? So we know it's really 80 when we compare. So let's take a look. I don't know. It's going to be 72. It's probably going to be 80, right? We want it to be 80. So instead of 813, if we want to get an estimation, we're going to do 800 divided by 8. So here's how I want that to look. Okay. 800 divided by 8. Okay. So we compare, we divide, we multiply, we subtract, and we bring down, right? All right. So let's do it. We compare, we can do 8 goes into 8 one time, right? So now 8 times 1 is 8. We did that. Now we subtract 0. All right, so now we're going to bring down. 0 divided by 8 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. We subtract. We bring one more down. I know this is tedious. We're doing these steps with simple math so that when the math gets more complicated, you know the division steps, right? 0 divided by 8 is going to be 0. 0 times 8 is 0. Subtract, we get a no remainder. And a roughly 100 times, right? Right? How many groups of 8 do we need? We need 8 groups of 100. Right? So that's about 100. How many times will that divide out? About 100. All right. So, you know, hopefully you guys, like for this one, 59, 9, let's see. Probably I would go down. So you would do 54, 9 times what? 9 times 6. There you go. This is about 6 times, right? Or you could do 63. If you did 63, that might be a little closer. It would be about 7 times, right? So you guys can get that. So it'd be 63 divided by 9. What times 63? 7, right? So 59 divided by 9 is about 7 times you can divide that, right? If you bump that up to 63. All right, well, there you go. Good luck with your estimating tonight. Make these numbers easier to divide. That's all, right? Get as close as you can, right? So this one would be what? 342. You could do 3200 or 320, pardon me, right? Sure. So that one would go 8 goes into that, right? Bring it down, 0, about 40 times. All right? Okay. We'll work on this more in class, but this is a nice little video to help you go through the steps. Tadero out.